My proportion means I need a shorter hemline, meaning
Absolutely.
I need to elongate my legs. It will make me look taller. But when I go into retail, it's the exact opposite because हर चीज इधर तक लंबी कमीज है घुटने तक
बिल्कुल
खुला है. It's not tailored into fitting for like very petite people or even plus size people. It's almost like a skeletal.
You know, you said something so appropriate. You said proportions, right?
Yeah.
यहाँ पे, for example, if I say, oh, the trend is short kameez and घेर wali shalwar. Now, somebody who's a different size but tall, even then, the short kameez will not look good,
on them.
So that whole point of educating the masses or educating even the elite today has become so important, because even the elite, or I wouldn't like to call them the elite, because for me, Pakistan's elite are the poets and the writers and stuff.
No, but that is the elite, right?
Now.
Because it's not just there's a difference between being wealthy and being elite.
Yeah, absolutely.
Because elite comes from your art, from education, from your philosophy, to the way you live, to how you dress, how you eat, who you eat with,
who you meet. My father was lucky. He was designing and giving it to the elite because those are the people that people wanted to be. Like, for example, Faiz Ahmed Faiz wearing a shalwar kameez. Their followers were part of the masses. They wanted to look. So he was dressing the elite, the real meaning of the elite.
Yeah.
And it was translating into the masses. Now, because of consumerism, like I said before, and you said, we are designing for the 2%, and it's not translating to the 98. And I'm 98 bhi, chalo, 70 keh do. It's not. And it's such a big demarcation, which is what I'm seeing in fashion today. Because the real fashion designers are not dictating the trends here.
They're not.
And what you said, the kurta thing, abhi hai, it's the same box kurta, but phool patte different hone chahiye. Oh, that designer is giving me different phool patta, wo. I feel we're living in Darwin's theory in reverse. We're going towards being apes, you know? And मैं ये बिल्कुल उससे कह रही हूँ with a lot of integrity इसके साथ कह रही हूँ. Fashion dictates the street.
It does, and it must.
But yes, but your style dictates fashion. So where is everyone's style? It's gone. There's no style.